Red FM is shaking up Malaysian radio. The station is taking a new approach in entertaining its listeners, transforming itself to appeal to the youth and young working adults. Red FM Programming Director Alan Cameron says over the last 4 years, Red FM has seen strong growth, especially within the younger listeners.
I think the expectations for Red FM after the relaunch is a station that's totally different approach to radio. And I think that, or know from research, etc., that it's been missing in Malaysian radio. So I think the audience will grow, the audience will grow, the right demographic, and as I said, people under the age of 30, urban, working, executive, will come to us and get a lot out of it.
Red FM will kick off a brand new Red Breakfast show, hosted by renowned entertainer Little Kev and Sarima. The dynamic duo will attempt to wake up their listeners' senses in the morning. The early breakfast show will begin on February 13 from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday to Friday.
Women with hair, lots of nudity.
Yes, fun, interesting, strange, weird, maybe a bit weird, maybe a little bit too weird.
Nudity, did I mention nudity?
Not my nudity though, of course, because I would never be nude.
Chief Broadcasting Officer of Star Radio Group CK Tan says he is very excited with the brand new lineup and the new directions of Red FM.
With this new and clearly defined target group, we are confident that the listeners will finally find what they have been missing in the radio entertainment. This is the commitment from the Star Radio Group to give our listener nothing but the best and the relevant programming contents.
Also present at the relaunch was the Star Publications Malaysia Berhad Executive Deputy Chairman Datuk Vincent Lee and Group Managing Director and CEO Ho Kay-tat. The station also introduces 6 new segments in its broadcast, which are the Red Zone, the Red Hub, the Red Steel, the Red Fix, the Age, and the Red Room.